lifted my laptop.
पहना है तो प्लीज क्रॉप कर देना वेदर्स.
Yeah, but Vedas, if you think I'm smiling weird, I have a very big ulcer right here on my lip and I can't even smile properly. I already know how Vedas is gonna cut that, so god damn Vedas. Hello unengineers, welcome back to episode number 15 of the Unengineered podcast. My name is Atik Kurchi. आप देख रहे हैं. I have my host.
News.
No, thank you. No, I do not want to be affiliated to Atak.
Welcome TV.
I have my co-host with me right here. Is sitting right here in my laptop below my phone. And what are we going to talk? What are we going to talk about today?
We're going to talk about how Indian companies are making their own app store. Why? I don't know. But yeah, we're going to talk
Fun
about
fact.
it. I have a lot of points on this.
In the last episode, I actually mentioned why. I literally mentioned this why are Indian developers not taking advantage of the fact that Google Pay you can put your own Play Store. Why do they not put their own Play Store on Google and like create their own ecosystem? And now 1 week later, that is actually a reality. Like
that is not actually what's happening. If you put your
I know it's not happening.
Store,
it's not happening. I know. They won't put it on Play Store.
नहीं. Oof. Play Store पे डाल नहीं सकते और एक store I think. That is not allowed. What you are allowed to do is install a store side से. Like side load करना allowed है. You are not allowed to put it on Google Play Store.
Are you sure?
But
because there's a lot. But there's a lot of app stores on Google's Play Store. There are. I'm pretty sure. I have downloaded some when I was small. When I was younger and naive, I didn't know. So
हाँ अभी I think change हो गया रहेगा policy. पहले के policy काफी different थे. But I haven't seen an app store on Google Play Store.
That makes a lot of sense. ठीक है. So, all right. What happened?
I don't see a point in it. The reason you have your own app store, the only reason I see you have your own app store is not paying 30% या फिर कुछ rules avoid करना.
That's right.
But if your store is on Google App Store, then hard app.
It makes no sense. Yeah, 30%. Exactly. So
I guess
Paytm is either mostly they're gonna. And I'm gonna give you guys a preface to it, and then Advait is going to emphasize on the topic further what his thoughts are. But Paytm और Google का झगड़ा हुआ था I think एक या 2 हफ्ते पहले जब Google ने Paytm को literally ऐसा Play Store से निकाल दिया for like a few hours, ठीक है? Because apparently they were redirecting people to an external website where they can win money, spend money. सट्टा ऑनलाइन सट्टा था बेसिकली ठीक है that's legal सट्टा ऑनलाइन लीगल सट्टा Paytm कर रहा था and that link was on their app which is not allowed by Google. Like we've mentioned this before again that app Google Play Store and App Store do not allow you to send users to another web page to pay. It's not allowed. So Paytm को हटा दिया and then
Paytm I think is Paytm वगैरह are allowed to do it because they're money kind of apps, so they're allowed to put their own payment in. Paytm got kicked out for adding gambling tactics into their app, and it comes under gambling and fantasy sports. And what they're doing something with Paytm first, yes, it was some link to the outside website. The details are not important. It's just that it did violate Google's App Store guide, Play Store guide. And then I was like, wait a minute. Apps allowed a fantasy for Dream 11 sponsoring the IPL and their app is on people's phone and stuff. And then I realized that app is not on the Play Store.
It's not on the Play Store, yeah. I was gonna correct you, yeah.
So पहले I
was
Paytm का side कि एक मिनट
why smart.
Calling out Paytm and stuff. But now it's Paytm is in the wrong because they're asking for special permission or something like that. And
yeah.
Google says that it was concerned with the tactics Paytm was using and they had some back and forth. But Paytm denies that there was no back and forth. So, yeah. So, see, rules are rules. And I'm fine with rules as long as they're applied to everyone equally.
Exactly.
And this is the case here.
So how did they come back on the Play Store within the few hours?
They just removed it.
They removed the feature, right? They removed the what feature was it? Paytm First Games, right?
Paytm, I'm not sure.
I'm pretty sure it was Paytm First Games. Paytm First is their kind of offshoot kind of thing where they earn more money essentially. Paytm First game section.
Okay, I don't understand. ये app developers, see, I understand you have a brand with Paytm and you have to branch it out and use that brand name to sell other stuff, Paytm Mall, Paytm ye.
True.
Why are you putting everything in the same app?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
That's right.
And they use this fact. आगे पता है क्या? So I'll get to it. But the thing is, Paytm is back, but all the Indian entrepreneurs are mad. Ki how is Google doing this? And India, I think Android is 98% Android.
99%
is iOS. 99%.
Yeah.
And so they're like, Google has a monopoly here.
True.
And so the case they were making is Paytm is a payments app at the base of it. That is what they're saying. So if Google bans it, it's like they're banning a form of payment in India. And Google, being an American company, has this power. And I'm like, you dumbasses, they wouldn't have banned you if you were just a payment app.
I agree.
The problem they have is with the other feature you have added.
They aggressively expanded.
Have you ever opened the Paytm app?
No. Please don't do that.
It's a mess. I use Samsung
It's a
Pay
mess.
through
It's a
Paytm
mess.
just to avoid all the mess that they recently cleaned up the app Thudusa, like the new UI and stuff, but it's still not up to mark. Like if you have an app which is responsible for payments, you should make it really simple so anyone can use it.
Seriously.
And why do you?
I agree. At the top, they have like payment options at the top of the UI. Google Pay is such a good example of like just payments,
It's
just
simple.
payments.
It
And
does
that's so
what
good.
it does, and it gets out of the way. Like I'm not against 197. 197 is a parent company, uska. And I'm not against
Paytm
197 using the Paytm name to get other stuff done like shopping and stuff. But have a different app for it, please.
Right.
This is normally
Paytm-
fine with apps.
Paytm Mall का क्या
feature
हुआ?
in it.
Did they integrate it?
नहीं,
It's still
Paytm
different.
Mall वगैरह are different apps. अलग से.
Yeah.
But I think there is some integration in it and stuff. So-
Because you can buy stuff on Paytm as well and on Paytm Mall as well. I don't know. I think you get some perks or something for
Exactly. And
ordering from the mall.
We are confused. हम लोग confused. So I don't know about other people.
Right.
But
Right.
yeah, and so here is why I'm mad. Like I'm dead mad. The new App Store is fueled by why does Google get the power to make the rules?
Yeah.
And I find it toxic. You have to make an App Store just because Google did something. Like the Play Store regulations are kind of fair in my opinion.
Okay.
Except 30% cut. 30% cut is too much.
It's too much.
Be
I
reduced.
agree. But I also agree that they take a cut. I'm totally okay with that. I mean,
YouTube takes 45% cut. YouTubers.
Seriously,
One says
45.
they're not. But the 45% is the 30%. 45% का वो बाद में आएंगे. But the 30% is not completely profit. Like it doesn't go into someone's pocket to spend the money. The 30% is used to run the Play Store services, the Google. There are libraries which these apps are built on, like एकदम base पे, which Google made एकदम starting से.
Yeah.
And without these libraries, these apps wouldn't have been possible at all.
True,
Like
true.
authentication, maps,
That's right.
ये सब.
Correct.
Although maps is paid बाद में भी, like when you pass a certain limit and stuff. But that 30% is also used to make new Android updates and stuff. So it's not all going in their
that makes
pockets.
sense.
It's still used somewhere.
Yeah,
Although
what the
a
hell?
lot of it is going in their pockets, like profits they form में. But work on reducing 30% cut somehow rather than making your own app store. Also, making your own app store is easier said than done. Not only do you have to make a store, but you'll have to make all the libraries that are used.
The other apps that will. But I have a question. Apparently, a bunch of companies are collaborating over this. A bunch of software giants, Indian software giants, are collaborating over this Paytm thing. So, will it not be easier, at least in the for these first few apps to
see,
be on the new Play Store?
Very big company.
I agree.
even if you combine these companies ऐसा एक के ऊपर एक रख के भी, the chances of it going to heights where Google is, it's
Yeah.
maybe चला जाएगा, but here's the thing. Something about so many companies being a part of it कि काफी confusion होने वाला है, and there's going to be a lot of paperwork and diplomatic stuff, and making these libraries available, and the apps which are on Google Play Store will have to be somewhat rewritten to use these libraries
Right.
of this.
Right.
So it's a lot of work just to get to a point where the store is available.
I agree.
And उसके बाद they want, and उसके बाद people will have to install them. And here's the part. I trust Google more than I trust these companies combined.
Yeah, that makes man. That's a very strong.
Even if you trust Paytm 197, they are not the only ones making this. There's like 10 other companies, and there is Indian government.
Right. That's
Though,
right.
and why involve the government? Like, poof.
Who's involved?
There's a government
को कौन involved कर रहा है?
अरे भाई. So government wanted an Indian app store बहुत time से. Play Store. I'm gonna use the term app store. I don't mean the Apple App Store. This is the store which has apps, so it's called an app store. It's a general term. But Indian government has its own app store. You know, तुम लोग वो website पे जाके you can download apps and stuff, and then you can install. But they wanted it बहुत time से, and this is a chance they have, so they have always been looked into it. But you're gonna make an app store with the Indian government, and App Store is an integral part of your OS. It can access a lot of stuff.
I agree.
Which means it can access a lot of data.
So you're saying you don't want to give a lot of data to these companies, Indian companies?
Yeah, Indian companies, and directly in the hands of the government. Like normally they needed a warranty as a to take it from Google. Now they can just take it from whatever database they have.
Yeah, that is man, that's pretty good position.
And so Samsung comes with its own app store thingy, Play Store thing, and you can't remove it. I don't know. My phone has it. I don't know what data.
I think it's called Samsung Apps. I think it's called Samsung Apps.
कुछ तो है. But I never used it. I removed all the permissions from it, and it's pre-installed. Like it's already
perfect.
क्या बोलते हैं, worrying me, and it's Samsung. I don't know what these other companies are doing with it.
Right.
But they're forcing some policies or something like through the government. This new app store must be pre-installed on all Android phones.
Oh shit! Okay.
So
nice.
I don't know if everyone is seeing all these red flags I'm seeing.
But
please tell me you do. There are so many red flags, man.
Yeah. The thing is, I mean,
mandatory install. So many companies working together. Indian government in it.
I don't know, but I think anybody wanting to bring any new change will always be opposed. I believe that. But won't the last point that you mentioned, ki they want this new app store to be pre-installed with Google's software? Won't that be difficult for them to do?
अरे नहीं, once it's a law, क्या करेंगे Google भी?
Oh, once it's a law. Oh yeah, fair enough. Wow, that's nice. I mean, we do need a lot of cyber laws and stuff in this country. But yeah,
I know, but this comes back to a point where the software, Android software, is Google's property, right?
Yeah, obviously.
So why are laws being made? How are you forcing a company, which it's like तेरे car में you have to make someone sit compulsorily because law says it. I don't understand. Like if you have a car and उसका passenger seat में you have to take a person हमेशा because the law says it.
Yeah, I see where you're going. The thing is, the one positive thing
it's a gray area. It might be
it's a very gray
and bad. Like I have the last point. Like it's written as still a ray of hope.
It's written as what?
Is new. It's titled as still a ray of hope.
Still a ray of hope. Okay, nice. It's sweet.
See, all this information is new and fresh. It might be confusing, and
right.
These companies are in just the starting wala talks.
True.
If this comes true, if or when, it's a big if, it's a huge if. When, it's a long, I don't know, whatever. But I hope they make these libraries to require रहने वाला है अच्छे से, please, because it's gonna form the base of all the other apps which are gonna be made.
Oh man, true. Paytm.
I hope
You better freaking pay your developers, okay? You better freaking pay your developers properly.
and I hope they have fair rules which apply to everyone equally.
Yeah.
India में I don't know why that's a big problem. सबको rules equally apply होगा. And
You summed up India man in one sentence.
then it's not that. I just hope everything is better than Play Store. Like the cut is less, the rules are allowing innovation
Right.
while curbing the क्या बोलते हैं malware apps and stuff.
Oh, I swear.
So,
Not at all. पहले तो
Yeah.
Chinese apps नहीं रहेंगे, so मतलब वही problem निकल गया एक. Hopefully.
Chinese apps क्यों नहीं रहेंगे?
Because we are against China.
That's the thing. That's not fair. You can't just ban someone from the App Store just because they live in China. That's
They just, bro, they literally just banned like what 400 apps from the App Store, 400 Chinese apps from Google's App Store, so why can't we do it from our own?
No. They banned it because they were having malpractices and data.
हाँ तो मैं वही तो बोल रहा
ban it because they belong to China.
अच्छा, yes.
You can ban
I
someone for
know.
doing wrong. You can't just ban someone because.
I mean, that's what I meant. Ki,
अच्छा हाँ.
guys, I'm not against China. I'm against malpractices. So yeah, don't do malpractices.
So,
Yeah,
हाँ.
good boys.
It's a gray area. I hope you move it towards a white one. And if it goes towards black, I don't know. Leave the country, I guess.
We can disable the App Store in our phones. Hopefully.
You can't disable the App Store once it's pre-installed.
Oh shit, yeah.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना App Store इतना integral part है कि even if you're
Dead.
not it's
Using
not
it.
possible to not use it.
That's right. But when I read about this news, I was, as I said, I really, even as I mentioned last week, I really want like an Indian App Store. I think the best time to make an Indian App Store is right now, because in the next 5 years there's going to be a lot more people online. An estimated of like 300 to 500 million Indians are going to get online in the next 5 years. And I believe if we have an Indian App Store in the next, say, 1 year, I mean, it'll be good. Like, Google will have some competition, at least in India, I feel. And I believe...
competition is always good.
Exactly, absolutely. Competition is always good. That's why I was really looking forward. I am really looking forward to this Play Store and how they do it. Exactly. We want them to do it nicely. That's what we want.
Do it nicely. Don't do it ऐसा कि forcing से. You know?
Yeah.
People should want to install your store because it has so many features and so many exclusive apps. It has partnerships with apps. Ki, you know, people do that, I guess. Ki if you install it through this area, we'll give you so many coins free. वैसा.
Yeah.
Something like
Google पे तो हमेशा होता है.
Do it properly if you guys are doing it.
That's right.
I mean, you're always there to support, I guess. Once you do it properly, people will support you, obviously. That no one has any problem with it being pre-installed because it's a great app.
Yep.
App Store in this case.
But I also think I read a few tweets and an article or something, a few articles. The headlines said ki like Paytm is integrating these app stores into the already existing Paytm apps. So like I don't know how that's gonna go down. Because that's a very bad idea.
No problem hai. These practices are gonna ruin it.
Yeah. And plus, like Indians have a habit of doing things in a jugaad manner. So, that is what worrying us. That's what's worrying Advait. Like we don't have a problem with an Indian Play Store. We have a problem with them not doing it properly and like exploiting us and exploiting people doing it for the heck of it and like not doing it properly, messing up people's phones and softwares and apps.
And we call out Chinese apps for it, right? Share it, वगैरह.
Precisely.
Social media, I guess.
Yeah, it became almost a social media. Holy shit. And Paytm aims to do that also. And apparently Paytm is still ranked as a startup. Do you know that? Oh my god. It still has startups.
We are basing our entire digital economy on a company which is classified as a startup.
Paytm, the most valued and most successful startup of India. Want to know more about the company? I don't know if it's still a startup.
However, we just mean that once you still have that startup tag, there's a chance that you might fail miserably. Like,
I don't know what
Imagine-
takes for a company to stop being a startup. Like when I don't know when that label is removed, but I don't know
I
if
guess
that
when they
it
go
has been.
public, but Paytm public है क्या? Okay, so
No, it's private. It's a private business.
हाँ,
It says on their Wikipedia, e-commerce, finance,
Sure.
revenue.
So it's a
Parent.
private company, not a public one.
Yeah, it's listed on Alexa rank, written in C++,
Anyway.
JavaScript, and D.
What we
That's
mean
the-
is there's still a chance that Paytm closes down if something catastrophic happens, like
Yeah, shit.
पूरा hack
Guy-
हो गया ना सब कुछ।
It is not publicly traded. It's planning to launch its IPO in 2022. Matlab, before it, like, there's still 2 years for it to go public. It's still like a privately traded company.
Why not? So you never know where it goes.
Yeah.
Companies से याद आया,
Hmm.
like okay, this smoothly segues into the point of brand image. Paytm से मेरे को boomer types feel आता है, okay? Like when I hear Paytm,
Yeah.
I never use Paytm उसके वजह से. It's just the way it makes me feel. On the other hand, recently an app called Cred.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
I don't know how they managed to do it, but with their new advertising strategy, IPL के साथ, everybody has seen those ad matches, Ridhik
Yeah.
वगैरह का.
Yeah.
They have made an ad क्या बोलते हैं, brand image which is so valuable. They are the cool kids of this country, I guess.
Yeah.
And the way they are marketed, it's so well done.
And do you know, I'm actually gonna make a video on this after, like, when I get time. But I checked out their Instagram profile and it has nothing to do with payments or finance. The Instagram profile has nothing to do with what they do as a company. I don't know why. It's
So what's on there?
I don't remember. It's a bunch of blog posts. Literally, it's a bunch of blog posts.
And they don't market it as something that you used to pay your. I mean, like, they do market it that way.
Credit Club.
It's more of a cult wala feeling ki once you're part of this club.
It's a very cool club kind of thing. So on their Instagram profile, they have black holes. They have a post on black holes and a picture of the black hole. They have the evolution of nostalgia. They have
Are you on the same Cred?
Cred. Exactly.
Cred Ambassador Club.
Yeah, Cred Club. Yes. They have posts on cricket. They have sports.
Cricket recently because of their integration. And okay, coming to the point of the app itself, I downloaded the app, although I couldn't get into it because you're required to be a member. I was on the wait list and stuff.
Yeah.
But the app is so well made.
Yeah. Nice.
Have you looked at those animations stopping and
I
it's on a design which is called neumorphic design. The app is so well made. Like, I've experienced a lot of apps and I just get that feeling when an app is made properly.
Yeah.
And Cred
I like
does it so
Thing
well.
is, I had a feeling that Cred was going to be like cool and minimalistic from the logo itself.
Exactly.
That's how powerful it is. That's how well thought out it is.
And the logo is like an Apple logo where it can be it can work in any situation. Like, I think कोई तो एक ad में से, I think it was Babida का ad या ऐसा कुछ तो
Babida का.
हाँ, and उसमें it was disco lighting but black background है and वो Cred के लोगों के through disco lighting आ रहा है. I don't remember इधर था वो.
Yeah.
But it just shows कि that logo can go in a lot of places.
Yeah.
Which is always good for a logo.
Yeah.
But it's not. See, Indian companies can do it. Companies like Cred have made their brand image काफी अच्छे से. And Cred has a lot of problems. You know that? Like payment failure वगैरह से.
Yes. इनका comment section
But
Instagram
as-
उससे भरा हुआ है.
Exactly. But even after all that, they have such a positive brand image because they communicated through and stuff. So the reason they're having these payment issues kind of thing is because they use UPI. They have communicated it through key. What happens is, pehले you have to verify your credit card
Yes.
on it, and people don't do that सबसे पहले. Like when you log in or register on credit, it takes your credit score and stuff.
Yes.
किसी
Yes.
तो third party से.
Yes, it does.
And then उधर credit card का first four और last four numbers रहता है, but बीच में का नहीं रहता.
Mm-hmm.
And so you have to verify it by putting your number, but it's not that big a deal because you can add cards अलग से भी.
Cool.
And the second reason of failure is because UPI का failure rate is anyway higher than the normal any net banking, credit, या debit card transaction का.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So that is another reason, I guess. And they are doing a lot of UPI transactions over there anyway.
So it's an app to do UPI transactions.
No, it's an app where you can pay your credit card bills.
Oh.
But those credit card bills have to somehow transfer the money, right?
Yeah, right. So they use UPI to transfer that.
They use UPI. They use UPI at the back end, I guess. Like credit, you have to first pay credit, and credit ke through they pay the back end. And they know about this. Okay, they have an option called instant refund, which will refund the money if the payment fails. Like tum log ko wapas. They won't keep the money at credit.
That's cool.
So they are not even saying we are not aware of this issue. And stuff like this makes me trust a company. Even if you have the issues, just address it.
Right.
Starting safe.
Right. That's right.
And you know where I'm going with this? It's not about Indian companies being banned. Like you can. I haven't used that app, but it seems like the developers or the company behind it is run by great people who know what they're doing with the app and stuff.
Yep.
And they built a great experience around it. That is what I'm saying. It's not that hard if you do it properly.
True. You need you need people who understand other people.
Exactly.
Rewards for paying credit card bills. Holy shit. इनका landing page.
Okay.
The landing page ही कितना
so good. Like everything they do is so premium.
Holy shit, I'm on the landing page. I guess go to credit.club and look at the website. My god. That animation of the phones, my god, maza. It's so smooth. Oh, what a great website. I love this. Holy shit. I love this. Too good. What a website.
So and this costs a lot of money, you know? It's a banana.
Yeah, really? Like the website.
The website, yeah.
Yeah, I mean someone who can
app.
You need a lot of government.
You don't want to download to phone the account, right?
Yeah.
So I don't want to spoil it, but download the app and just click open and see the first animation that comes. So it's IPL के साथ integration है अभी उनका उससे they have made. So they have spent a lot of money doing all this.
Nice.
Like I think it's made in-house कि कोई other app development studio को दिया था उन्होंने. But the second one is a really expensive option. The first one is still cheaper.
Yeah.
Just you have to hire the right talent.
Right. Absolutely. Official partners of BCCI for IPL. सही खेल गया लोग सच्ची बहुत सही खेल गया.
They played. मैं credit एकदम early stages में download किया था. I don't know why. I was just checking out apps and it has been a great app, like a good looking app. हमेशा से I think. That's about it, I guess, for Indian brands. Let's come to AMD वापस. And we don't have a lot. It's just that AMD recently.
The thing that's happening is AMD is going to release new chips on I think 8th of October. You know? 7th of October. One of those dates.
October is gonna be a busy month, man. 8th of October, AMD.
It's Techtober.
13th October.
Techtober, as MKBHD says.
13th को Apple का event है पता है?
Yeah, मेरे को पता है. Holy shit, so exciting! It's crazy. So yeah, we're gonna cover that on this episode also. Tune in.
I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to stop watching Twitter because 14th का मेरे dad का birthday, so I'll be busy there.
AMD is going to launch new chips and new graphic cards. I don't know graphic cards कब आ रहा है, but chips definitely अभी अगले हफ्ते आ जाएंगे hopefully. And the graphics.
It's the AMD 5000 series, right?
AMD 5000 series based on the Zen 3 architecture, which is I think it's 7 nanometer plus whatever they've done before. They're gonna do that same thing with the nomenclature, but I'm really excited for that to happen because like 7 nanometer has so much potential. It has so much potential. It's crazy. So I really want them to squeeze the full performance out of the 7 nanometer. Plus, they're gonna release 6000 series graphic cards based on the RDNA 2 architecture. Yeah, that's the nomenclature. उनका architecture का वो नाम है कि मतलब RDNA 2 types. And there was a patent, not a patent, a trademark filing. So they trademarked a term, right? And the term is AMD Infinity Cache. So that's what they trademarked recently, and literally small stuff like this makes it to headlines because that's how much hype there is behind the product. And there's just speculations. All we have right now. There's just a bunch of speculation as to what AMD Infinity Cache could mean. Now, cache is a term. CACHE is a term that is usually used when it comes to memory, cache memory, and stuff like that. Like usually store information in a cache.
Cache is a really fast
memory.
It's not huge in size. It's usually
MBs में होता
में रहता है. अब भी MBs में रहता है.
Yeah. Even 2020.
And you're talking about CPU cache specifically, which is near to the CPU. The CPU, even if the RAM is really fast, the CPU can't go to RAM हमेशा.
Yeah. So it goes to the DRAM.
The basic information is processing. So तो वो cache होता है usually.
Yep. And I think they trademarked the term Infinity Cache, and so I think that's what the article says. The article says that it could be related to bandwidth memory of the new graphics card those that are coming out. It could be related.
Oh, I thought it's about CPUs.
No, not CPU. It's for the
GPU पे.
Yeah, GPU पे.
Oh.
CPU तो भाई अगले हफ्ते रिलीज हो रहा है. अभी ट्रेडमार्क करके क्या फायदा है? So
exactly, मैं वही बोल रहा था. It's a bit too late, isn't it?
Nah. GPUs बाद में आएंगे. Towards the end of the year, नए GPUs आ जाएंगे उनके. And I think they are doing something with that. I didn't get a lot of information on it because nobody has a lot of information. Apparently, उनका जो नए cards है, right? Those cards are called Big Navi. ठीक है? That's what the consumer name is, Big Navi, and they have some like memory bandwidth issues. And people are saying कि ये memory bandwidth issue को solve करने के लिए they have this new concept or this new name or this new technology. It could be anything. It may not even be a new technology. It may just be a new fancy name that they're giving to a pre-existing technology. But they are saying कि to fix the memory bandwidth issues on the new upcoming graphic cards, they are using this Infinity Cache concept.
And ये नाम पहले यूज हुआ है. I think AMD के Threadripper CPUs में there is this AMD Infinity Band करके कुछ तो. Oh. And that is used to connect different cores or something like that. I'm not sure about it. But it's gonna be something fast, really fast.
I hope it is because the competition that
you can't go beyond infinity. So
yeah, I mean I don't know because the competition that Nvidia is giving AMD right now is crazy. For like थोड़ा सा comparison के लिए मैं बताता हूँ कि RTX 3090 जो है that has a memory bandwidth of up to 930 gigabits per second. That's the memory bandwidth.
Gigabits की bytes.
Gigabytes. I'm sorry. Gigabytes. My bad. That's a very big difference. Bytes and bits. What difference is that? Please don't confuse them.
Difference.
Yeah, exactly. So 936 gigabytes per second का memory bandwidth है. 3090 का and 3080 and 3070 का are 760 and 448. So
I don't know. The graphics cards are coming in December.
I really don't know. But not now. Like at least not anytime soon. November end या December end. RDNA.
नहीं, October 28th लिखा है.
Oh, really?
That is what I was thinking because the news I heard was Nvidia is gonna ship the new cards on 29th of October. Just after these, and
Nice.
this is such
You
an
can-
AMD thing to do.
Yeah,
Usually,
yeah.
what AMD does is Nvidia का release होने के एक दिन बाद
Yes.
या कुछ they just undercut themselves,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
undercut Nvidia
Nvidia.
by $50 या ऐसा कुछ.
Mhm.
So is Nvidia doing it this time? I'm not sure.
Banger.
But हाँ वो मैंने
Banger.
सुना था.
Absolute killer. Also, the thing is, they क्या बोलने वाला था? Also, Nvidia may announce like a 3070. They may announce a 3060 and a 3060 Ti by the time the new what do you call it, AMD cards come out. So I think AMD is waiting for that also to happen. कि पहले वो हो जाए, फिर हम undercut करेंगे, उसको मजा आ जाएगा.
There's so much.
But yeah.
The amount of politics that goes into graphics art
Oh,
for
yeah.
some reason. Undercut करना एक दूसरे को.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. But then again, Nvidia has already like created a lot of hype for itself. I hope AMD can keep up with it.
30 series cards is that, right?
Those are unreal numbers on those. Unreal numbers. Absolutely unreal numbers. But the thing is, the reason that people are saying कि जो Big Navi का memory bandwidth में problem होगा is because it has been pretty much confirmed that the Radeon का जो latest chips है, they will come. Radeon का graphics है, they will come with a. They will be limited to a 256-bit memory interface. Usually, graphic cards come with a very. इससे ज़्यादा होता है usually. Minimum तो ऐसे 260 होता है I think. I'm really not sure. It essentially means कि एक बार में the CPU and the GPU can communicate with 256 bits in 1 second. समझा? At once.
Okay.
And usually, that number is very high. I don't know what the numbers are on the other. For comparison, I don't have those numbers right now. But it is apparently a very. It's a bad number. 256 is a bad number for memory interface, right? So
Why would they do that then with new graphics cards? Like, I don't understand.
maybe they
Something
want to.
isn't adding up. That is what I'm saying.
Maybe they are looking to save power because obviously that will lead to major power savings. Maybe they are. I don't know. Maybe they're cutting
Maybe
costs or
AMD
something.
has something with their infinity cache.
Exactly. And when we're using a GPU, right? There's GPU or a CPU. There's certain levels of cache. So there's level 1 cache, level 2 cache, level 3 cache, and they have different applications. And usually the जो
ये
level
CPU में होता है level 1, level 2, level 3.
अच्छा तो no graphics card में होता है.
हाँ नहीं CPU में होता है. That is what I'm sure of.
हाँ sure of
Graphics card
But
में
it-
होता है कि पता नहीं.
Yeah, but it says on the graph that the 5700 XT जो अभी है Nvidia AMD का, that is equipped with 4 MB of level 2 cache. And apparently this new cache tech will make up for the loss of speed that the 256-bit bandwidth is limiting them to. That's how I guess AMD looks to fix the problem. I don't know how much it's gonna help. Again, this is
I don't.
none of this is like confirmed or anything. This is just a bunch of
Ah,
speculation. Because that's what we do half the time. Because
Plus,
people,
it's hard to believe कि new graphics cards with there already a problem. Like release होने से पहले we can see the problem. I'm not sure.
yeah,
So I don't know. Something isn't adding up here.
yeah.
I'm just gonna wait for the release, I guess.
I agree. But then again, people don't usually. People don't usually go out and like follow like trademark registrations or like unconfirmed news. So that's what we do here. Thank you so much. And I think that's the episode. If there are any topics you want us to talk about in the next.
Leave them in the comments.
In the next episode, please leave them in the comments. We'll wrap up here. Yeah, that's exactly. Let me properly.
Follow us
let me
on
end-
Instagram at the Unincident Podcast. Follow
Sorry.
me at Life of Arvind and Life of Arvind, and follow Atik at
Antic Boy on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere. Snapchat, Pornhub. No, just kidding. Okay, guys. See you next week in the next episode of the Unengineered Podcast. Until then, get unengineered. Okay, chupchap get unengineered.
Dubai.
Bye.